Welcome to Brain Vision.
If using equation 6, we first have to rewrite our equation in the following form. And then if we do this, then equation 6 tells us a formula for the derivative we're trying to find. So let's go ahead and rewrite this so we could obtain f. So notice that if you just subtract, we get 0. So let's just go ahead and call this new equation, this new function, capital F. Sorry about that, I ran out of some room there. Let me back up. Capital F. So looking at our equation over here, there's some derivatives we have to find, so let's go find those. So first is the derivative with respect to x, so tan inverse. And then multiply by the derivative of the inside with respect to x, using the chain rule there. And then we have minus 1, and also a minus 2xy. Now for the denominator, so very similar for the first one, so derivative of arctan, square that term in the bottom, and then multiply by this term on the inside, the derivative of that with respect to y. And then here, derivative with respect to y is 0, and this one, negative x squared. So now let's put these together. And also notice the negative sign out here in the very front. So we can just go ahead and take this negative sign and just cancel that out, and then we'll also end up including a negative over here. So we get negative 2xy plus 1 plus 2xy, and let me include that denominator for the first term. Just for the first term there. And then in the denominator, and if anything, you could probably just go ahead and get a common denominator and simplify. But otherwise, here's our final answer.